This is a 1979 Harley Davidson Shovelhead project. It's a kickstart and electric start. We've had it firing, but we've stopped short of running it because the tank's dirty and we don't want to put petrol in it. It looks like it's been stood a while anyway. Probably needs a bit of a service. Get some oil in it before you run it. Brakes don't work on it. Managed to select the gears. The clutch works. And we'll just wind it over and see if we can get it firing. You ready, Terry? As you can hear, it's starting to fire on the easy start, but we've not had it running. I think it would though. We put a little bit of oil in, so it is low on oil as well.